Now is the user interface. Okay, this is in fact one of the most important section. You can see on the first part here, automatically open internet links in a new browser. If you tick this, that means those who open the ebooks and if they click on a hyperlink inside the ebook, the page will open automatically in a new window and not within the ebook itself. Okay, not within the ebook itself, it will open in a new window. Secondly, the menu is shown whether you want the next or previous loop icon to appear. So all these are the interface that you want the ebook to look like. A lot of options over here, so I just remain it as all the default ticks because these are the most common options that people choose normally. So just click OK. Next is the edit system pages. So about page, let's say on the ebook there will be a link which say about this ebook. So you want whether you want whether you want the page to have a template of the system generated page or your own page. So if you have your own page, then you have to put the file over here, choose, but we haven't inserted the file yet, so I just put it as a system generated page first. You can even disable the page from being seen. So same thing here, table of contents, whether you want it to be system generated page, disable, or your own table of contents. But you have to have all these files ready, the HTML files ready, before you can choose all these options. Okay, next. Okay, this is the same. This is edit add-ins. If you want to edit or you want to insert any add-ins, then you can just do so over here. So I'm not going to use this section. Scan folder, this is also important because you have to choose the folder where the files are in. That means choose the folder where the files inside the folder will be published as ebook. So as you can see on my desktop here, remember just now I have the folder my first ebook here. This is the folder where all the files of the ebook that I want to compile are inside this folder. So I just choose here and I click OK. There you can see all the file names will appear over here. Okay, just refresh. Okay, now let us save this project first. Okay, click as save. Now active variables, I will touch on this on another tutorial because this has things to do with branding the ebook. So once you have everything ready, you can click on this icon over here to edit the output. That means where do you want this ebook to be saved. So just save it in the desktop and file name as my first ebook. Okay, and it will be saved as executable files, exe files. Just put save. And this part I will touch on later on a separate tutorial. This is about rebrander. So just click OK. Once you have everything ready, just click on this icon build and it will build your ebook. Okay, it's successful. But before I proceed, I think I forgot one thing. Okay, you must remember this index HTML file here. This is very important because you need to name the file as index so that it will be the first page that the ebook will show when people open the ebook. So let's go again and build, run the ebook. You can see there, this is a message. Just now I inserted this message, hello, welcome to this ebook, and just say OK. And this is the first page of the ebook. And let's go to the second page where I link to the second page just now, and just click on this link and it will bring to the first page. And as you can see, all these are the options that just now we choose in the interface, whether you want all these to be included. It's totally up to your choice. Home page, you will just click and it will go to the first page, and contents, view as ebook page. You can see table of contents. This is the default or the system generated page. You can even search for words and phrases, and you can print. And let's right click, and you can see the copy here. So because I turn on the feature allow users to copy, then it is possible for them to copy, as you can see here. But if you uncheck the box just now, if you uncheck the box for this one, if you uncheck this box, then users will not be allowed to right click and choose the word copy. It will be disabled. Okay, and you can see this is a hyperlink that it will open on a new window there. And I think basically that's all for this. You can see the about button here. You can see what we have written in the first part of the section about the details of the ebook. All appears over this section, published by the company name, by the name, email address, and the website. Okay, so that's all for this part of this tutorial, and see you again in another video series. Goodbye.